to the ball game, second quarter. Katangay.
Makatangay. Pilayo.
Ayo, makatangay. Dinisda
Dinisda to Makatangay. Slashing the paint, using the glass. Very good. Power rebound by jersey number 3. Cyrus Baguio, nagmamadali.
wala yung bola.
Last touch by Cyrus Baguio. Gonzaga ang may tangan ng bola.
Sanga.
To Pilayo. Back to Gonzaga. Pupugol ng 3. Good. Cyrus Baguio to Eric Dasig. Eric Dasig pupugol ng 3. Short. Ang may tangan ng bola. To Paolo Gimenales. To Dinisda. Pull-up jumper. No good. Ibang by Cyrus Baguio. Cyrus Baguio nagmamadali. Attacking the defense of Gonzaga. Losing the glass. Yes for 2.
Baguio.
6 minutes and 50 seconds.
Number 18, Gonzaga. To Pilayo. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Cyrus Baguio. Cyrus Baguio finding his teammate. Slashing to the paint. Tuloy the pass. Damian. Erdasig. Pull-up jumper. Yes for 2. Erdasig. Number 18, Makatangay. To Pilayo. Reverse layup. Follow-up shot. Yes for 2. Makatangay.
6 minutes and 5 seconds.
Mr. MVP. Pass to Damian.
Damian.
Back to Mr. MVP once again. Crossover move. Slashing the paint. Using his hand. Yes for 2. Lottery pass. Gonzaga nagmamadali.
Running score by 5 to 19.
Makatangay. Last touch, Erdasig. Pilayo, ang may tangan ng bola. Intercepted by Mr. MVP. Mr. MVP nagmamadali. Erdasig, may kasama pang foul.
Bonus throw. Basket.
Basket is good by Erdasig. Official running score, 28 versus 19. Gonzaga pupukol ng 3. Uno, dos, tres! From downtown by Gonzaga. Master MVP ang may tangan ng bola to Erdasig. Erdasig, hesitation move. Erdasig. Yes for 2. Makatangay. Crossover move. Erdasig to Damian.
Yan. Hook shot.
Damian. Robust play. Finding his teammate. To Master MVP. To Erdasig. To Cyrus Baguio. Erdasig using the glass. Do good. Makatangay ang may tangan ng bola. To Pilayo. Masyadong malakas. Erdasig to Cyrus Baguio. To Damian, losing, yes for 2. What a scope play up by
Possible shot.
Mr. Damian.
4 minutes.
Gonzaga, to Dinisda, pupukol ng 3. Rebound by the pambansang Sigo. To Mr. MVP or Mr. Someone. Laundry pass. Behind the back move. To Mr. Bato de la Rosa.
Shot.
Hindi niya na yun!
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Now the 13 Pilayo, may tangan na bola. To Gonzaga. Gonzaga, hesitation move. Pupukol ng 3. Rebound by Gimenales. To Pilayo. Third drop. Pilayo!
3 minutes and 20
Official
seconds.
running score, 32 versus 24 in favor of the PBA Legend. Short.
3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Timeout by the PB Legend.
Score 32 to 26 in favor of
Official
PBA
running
Legend.
score 32 versus 26 in favor of the PB Legend.
Remaining time period 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Pride of Mr. Samar. Air Dosing
Volleyball
at
game.
Master MVP, Master Lottery Box. Master MVP ang may tangan ng bola. The jersey number 17. Air Dosing. Air Dosing, hesitation move. To RDO. Drop pass to jersey number 17. Pull up jumper.
Yes.
Yes for 2.
Captain Ana. 4-2.
Gonzaga ang may tangan ng bola. Of the team Jimenez. Commanding his teammates to Paulo Jimenez. To Dinisda. Makatangan. Hesitation move. Attacking the fade. Makatangan. Drop. To Dinisda. Slashing the fade. To Gonzaga. Bubugol lang 3.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Master MVP ang Mr. Samar ang may tangan ng bola.
Dasig.
Number 13, Pilayo. Attacking the defense. Pull up jumper. Pilayo! Yes, Brazil.
2 minutes.
Official running score, 34 to 28. Favor pa rin ng ating PBA Legend. Cyrus Baguio. The jersey number 17, pupukol lang 3.
Kernel.
Oh, those 3!
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Gonzaga. To Paulo Jimenez, attacking the defense of RDO. Rebound by Air Dosing. Air Dosing. Nakamadali. Attacking the defense of Gonzaga. Yes, for 2. Air Dosing. Jersey number 13. Back to Makatangay to Gonzaga. Gonzaga. Na fake news Air Dosing. Number 26. Drop to the. Tapi ka ng bola.
1 minute.
Dinis na. Yossi the glass. Yes for 2.
Seconds to play.
Dinis. P ang may tangan ng bola. Cyrus Baguio. Cyrus Baguio.
40
Jumpers.
seconds.
Tapi ka ng bola.
35 seconds.
Gonzaga ng mamadali. Tumakatay.
30.
Sinusubo na sa ring. Air Dosing.
25
Attacking the
seconds.
defense of Dinisda.
20
Jersey number
seconds.
17, Cyrus Baguio. Fade away shot.
15 seconds to play.
Pilayo.
10 seconds.
Out to Gonzaga.
5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Last touch by jersey number 3.
Remaining time 3 seconds.
Dinisda, pupukol lang 3. And that ends for the first half.
That's the end of second quarter. Score 39-30 in favor of PBA Legend.
Score of 39-30 for the first half.